Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list, for example, with the usage of the dialer. Find the contact you'd like to edit and then tap on it. So I'll choose this one and tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon. Let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So let's tap on the circle or simply tap on add picture. And here we've been transferred to the section where we can choose the picture from. So we've got device photos. We can tap on the camera and your device will immediately open the camera app, so you can take a photo of someone who's right in front of you, or you can choose something from the gallery. You can choose something from the Google Photos or illustrations, which are free of charge and they are available online. So you can find something really interesting, especially in the situation if you do not have the photo of someone whose contact you'd like to customize. So find the photo and then tap on it. I'll choose the mackerel. So here we've got some presets. We can change the colors, it's totally up to you, and we can also crop the photo, let's say. So basically we can zoom in or out the photo. We can change the size of this highlighted circle. Basically we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to and then tap on choose and tap on save in the right upper corner. And as you can see here, we've got our contact with the photo applied. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.